Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. 350e scooter, various how to do certain things on the scooter. This is Chinese subs only, but just a little video to show you how to do certain jobs on the 350e.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.